Alright guys, we're doing a little home cooking here. We're doing a salmon patty with, of course, oat flour. That's what we're gonna use. No, less carb, not even that much. And we have northern beans with our salmon. We're gonna season it up with black pepper. Okay. Alright, let's see. Black pepper. Ooh, that's much. That's too much. But it's okay. You can't go wrong. Garlic. It's gonna be gooey though, because I have to touch it with my hands. But this is my home or your home. You can touch it in your hand with your hands. I got onion powder. And then at the same time, we're gonna turn this on a little bit high. We gotta get some, of course, olive oil. All right, it's gonna be a good home cooking. We're gonna go fry it. Okay, all right, right there. Okay, first. Let me see here. I don't like, I don't like to touch it with my hands, but I have to, you know what I mean? If I was serving it through to a customer, then I will, use my hands. Alright, we got the oat flour here. I'm gonna mix that, okay? Okay, oat flour. It's hot now. Mix the flour right there. It's an oat flour. Okay. Now it's about, I have to wash my hands. Alright, I have to wash my hands. Make sure I wash my hands good. You gotta wash your hands, even if, it's your home. You're just gonna wash your hands. Alright, let's get a paper towel here. Alright, let's see what's going on. Alright. Ooh, let's put that a little bit on the side. Oat flour, man. Oat flour. I mean, you could say it's nasty because I'm the one holding it, but actually, if you do it yourself, it will not be nasty. All right, more oat flour. You got the northern beans with the salmon. Wash my hands again. Let me just rinse it out a little bit. Now it's mush. We can use the spatula. We'll put this one. I'm using egg beater instead of, like real eggs. I mean, they're real too, but, cut down on cholesterol. All right. Ooh, this is gonna be good. I wish I have a scoop or something. Oh, this is good. Makes it good. It's just nice home cooking. Let's put this flour out here. All right. All right, ready? All you gotta do is do a little bit at a time, like that. Patty it. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Oh man, that is nice. This is nice. Make sure your hands is clean. You go to the bathroom, you better wash your hands. Oh yes. Put it on the side because it's already hot. You don't want to burn it. It won't take a while. Nice. Wash my hands again so I could just rinse it. Oh, use this. Woo, Mom, that looks good. Alright, I just flip it over a little bit. Oh, nice. Salmon, northern beans, garlic, onion. What else? Black pepper. That's all. Make sure to drain the northern beans because it's high in sodium. The you know, the water that is in there or the liquid. Oh man, another one. I like that. Nice. I got more. That looks nice. Is it? Throw this out. Put this back in the refrigerator. Man, this is... Wash it again. Alright. The next adventure of cooking. I think I didn't... It was shut off a while ago. But anyway, yeah. Let's get real and that's it. Thanks for subscribing.